Hello, PAC. This is Mr. Lurch. I would really like a 3D printer, and these are the reasons why I think it would be a really good addition to the school. First of all, having a 3D printer would really hit the curriculum. Just for applied design skills and technologies, you have here prototyping and testing, which is also down here. And then creating the product and then sharing and celebrating the product. Those are all things that are really easy to do when you have a 3D printer. Here's some examples. First of all, what I do is I have the students design something using a 3D design program, in this case Tinkercad. Very easy to use. You just drag and drop, and then you can start modifying the objects pretty quickly. You can also have a lot of math in here because this is all metric systems. So we have 2 centimeters wide and 38 centimeters high. You can now change the dimensions. You can put holes in it. You can do lots of things. And as you can see, the grid is, each little box in this grid is 1 millimeter, and then this larger box is 1 centimeter. So they do that, and as they are building it, they document it. And an example of that is here. I have one group of students that use OneNote. I share the file with them, or they share the file with me, and then I can comment on it, and it kind of is a live document. And then one student takes each color, so I can see who's contributed how much. And these students have sort of shown their process of prototyping and fixing. We usually print one off, they test it, it doesn't work usually, then they fix it. And they can sort of show their process here. So here's my assessment. And then they can show every step of the way so that we can see, or I can see, that they haven't just like sort of copied it off the internet or something. And there you have a final product. They would attach a balloon to there, and then the air would blow down that. Here's some pictures of the final products. In this case, we had built cars and we raced them down the hallway. Some cars were powered by elastic bands, some cars were powered by balloons, and the balloon would sort of attach to the end here and then would blow out the back and shoot the car down the hallway. There is also a video of where we built boats here.
Oh, it's tipping. It's tipping.
Yeah, but it's going. It's going.
Oh, damn.
Whoa.
It's still going. Oh, it's still going. Oh,
That's the winner for sure so far.
Oh.
So, yeah, lots of fun, lots of learning. And this would be the printer that I'm requesting. It's Bambu Labs P1S 3D printer. It's the combo that allows you to have the 4 types of filaments on the top so that I can switch colors and print with multiple colors, and it's enclosed as well, sort of to reduce any smells, and also to have temperature control, which is very important for a 3D printer. They've very much advanced since I've last used them, and which was more than 10 years ago, and they're a lot cheaper. The first one I ever got was $2,500, and it didn't do half of the things that this one does. And nowadays there's a Black Friday sale on, and these are $699. That's for the combo. So yeah, that's kind of what I would do if I got a 3D printer, and I hope that you approve my request. Thanks.